Welcome. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to get started with GotBackUp, your all-in-one solution for cloud storage and a powerful income opportunity. Let's dive in. First, head over to GotBackUp.com, click the button that says Get Started or Join Now to begin. Enter your name, email, and choose a secure password, then pick your plan, whether it's for personal backup or to become an affiliate and start earning. You have two options. On the left, use GotBackUp to securely store your files. On the right, become an affiliate and earn commissions by inviting others. Let's look at both. Once your account is ready, download the GotBackUp software for your desktop or mobile. This ensures your files are always protected automatically. Inside your dashboard, you can manage your backups, access files, track commissions, and use marketing tools if you're an affiliate. If you chose the affiliate path, grab your referral link and start sharing. Use social media, messaging apps, or emails to invite friends and contacts. Not sure where to start? Head to your training section to learn marketing basics. And if you need help, just email support at GotBackUp. Now you're ready. Secure your files, start earning income, and build a future with GotBackUp. Don't wait, take action today.